Good morning, students. Once again, a very warm welcome to Bright Minds Tuition Center. In this class, we will see what is pi and why it is approximated to 22 by 7. First, we will see the definition of pi. Pi is a mathematical constant ratio of circle's circumference to its diameter. That is, the circumference of any circle divided by the diameter of that circle is constant, which is approximately equals to 3.14159 and so on. Yeah, this pi value is first calculated by Archimedes, and the symbol pi first used by William Jones in 1706. Here, to understand what is pi, let us take one circle with a radius of 3.5 centimeters. Then what will be the diameter? The diameter will be 7 centimeters. The circumference will be 21.98. Here we will see what is the relation between diameter and circumference. Here, if the radius is 3.5 centimeters, the diameter will be 2 times of radius, which is 7 centimeter. Let us take this to measure the circumference of a circle. Here, this is the circumference of circle, and if we expand this circumference to a linear scale, what is the length we are getting? We'll see. Yeah, this is equals to 21.98 centimeters. That is, if the diameter is 7 centimeters, the circumference is 3 times of diameter and 0.14 times. What is this value? 0.14 times of diameter. That is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 0.14 into 7, which will be 0.98. 3 sevens 21 and 0.98. The total circumference will be 21.98. Regardless of the size of the circle, the ratio of circumference to diameter is always constant, which was calculated first by Archimedes. Now we will see why pi is approximated to 22 by 7 by Aryabhatta and Bhaskara. By taking a circle, here divide this circle into 22 equal parts. How many parts? 22 equal parts. Now, what will be the circumference of this 22 equal parts if each part circumference is x, 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 x? We are assuming that each part circumference is x. Then what will be the circumference of this circle? Here, how many parts here? 22 parts. Then circumference C is equals to 22 x. Then diameter, let us assume that the diameter is y. We are assuming the diameter d is equals to y. If you see the relation between y and x here, the 7 parts of circumference, this length will be equals to diameter. Let us take this wire to measure the 7 parts circumference. Here, this is the 7 parts circumference length. And if we take it a linear scale, that 7 parts circumference will be equals to exact the circle diameter. Then what is y in terms of x? 7x. Y is equals to 7x. Then what is pi here? Pi is equals to circumference divided by diameter. In the circle, the circumference is 22x and diameter is 7x. Here x will get cancelled. Pi is approximated to, this value is approximated value. Pi is approximated to 22 by 7. Here 22 by 7 value is 3.14214128. Now, if you observe the pi value calculated by Archimedes, the exact value is a irrational, which is 3.14159 and so on, which is up to infinity. The Aryabhatta and Bhaskara approximated the irrational number pi to rational number 22 by 7. Here 22 by 7 value is 3.141285 and so on. The exact pi value is 3.14159 and so on infinity. If you closely observe the exact pi value calculated by Archimedes and 22 by 7 up to 3 digits, here 141, 141 are same. That's why Aryabhatta and Bhaskara approximated this irrational number pi to a rational number 22 by 7. Exactly, we can say that pi is less than 22 by 7. Thank you very much.